Hello everybody, I hope you're in a wonderful mood. Right now I'm going to show you how to join a new thread when it runs out or when you need to connect two balls of yarn. I know a few methods. This one is the easiest in my opinion. What you saw at the beginning of the video is the knot used to tie shoelaces, and it's not suitable for knitting. But this is the first proper method. I'll show you two methods. And so, when our yarn runs out and we need to join a new one to continue knitting, we take both threads and cross them. This creates a double thread. And we knit like this for a few stitches, 3 or 4. Then we continue knitting with the yarn from the other ball. We turn the work around. Here's how it looks for us. You can give the threads a little tug and continue knitting according to the pattern. When we knit up to the join, we also knit the two strands together according to the pattern. This is the easiest way to join two yarns. This is the second method. Take a needle that matches the thickness of the yarn so it slides through easily, and pull out a small strand. Then we insert the needle in a spiral motion, creating spirals. Three or 4 are enough. But I did 5. We pull the needle through the spirals and draw out a small tail. Leaving the loop loose and not tighten. We pull out a small tail and remove the needle. We straighten it out, and here's the loop we get. Next, we take the yarn. For clarity, I've used a different colored yarn. We insert it into the needle and pull out the tail. It doesn't need to be too long. Then we thread the new yarn through the needle so that the tail also passes through. And we insert the needle in a spiral motion. We pull the yarn through and draw out a short tail from the lighter yarn. We straighten it, and here's the element we've created. Next, we tighten the loops by pulling on the short tails. And smooth out the work. Then, you can trim these tails so they don't get in the way and won't need to be woven in later. And here's the result we've achieved. Give it a try and you'll succeed too. All the best, enjoy watching, and goodbye.